We're back with John Prineas from St George Mining this morning. John, morning.
Morning.
Look, currently suspended pending completion of the Araxá acquisition. I suppose, firstly, as far as the cap raise, what's the latest there, John?
Yeah, no, very successful $20 million capital raising. Investors have already been given their shares. They're in their accounts. We've got the money. We've started to make the payments overseas. These international payments sometimes take a couple of days longer to clear than you like, which is why we're in suspension, just to make sure those payments get made, both to IDFOS, which is US-based, and also to the Brazilian tax authority. We have to withhold tax and pay on behalf of IDFOS into Brazil, so that takes a little bit longer. But it's all on track to be made today, and if all goes well, we'll be out of suspension and trading tomorrow.
And so what are your plans, John, once the deal completes?
The 20 million cap raise has made us fully funded for our 2025 drilling and development studies. We have a maiden drill program ready to go in March, so that's very, very exciting. We already know we've got wonderful high-grade niobium and rare earths mineralization starting from surface, but only 10% of the project area drilled. So we're expecting some really exciting drilling results coming out of that. We've got met test work also starting very, very soon, and lots of other news flow with our new team in Brazil. We've got a team with more than 80 years experience combined in niobium and the Araxá region. So we're really going to hit the ground running.
Just remind us, John, about the jurisdiction where this project sits, who you've got nearby.
Yes, that's one of the clear advantages that we have. We're not a new discovery in a remote area which has never seen any mining activity. We're in Minas Gerais, the #1 mining state for Brazil, and we're in the Araxá region. Right next door to us is CBMM, #1 niobium producer in the world. On the other side is Mosaic with a very big phosphate project. So we have all the infrastructure we need already there, willing workforce from the nearby town of Araxá. We're really at a great advantage to expedite advancement and project approvals.
What are your expectations, John, around niobium and I suppose the wider rare earth space in the near term?
Niobium is a wonderful commodity because there's only three primary producers. You're not going to get the oversupply that you do with lithium and nickel. So we expect to be one of the bigger producers on the global stage within about 2 years. So very, very happy to be there. Very stable commodity. Rare earths is booming. Current talk, as you probably see on television, is President Trump trying to do a deal with Ukraine to secure our rare earths. So there's a huge demand for good rare earths from stable jurisdictions. We expect a lot of interest in our rare earth potential as well.
Good to speak, John. Thanks very much.
Thank you, Andrew.